वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। आज आम द प्राइसलेस गिफ्ट रो क्वेश्चन आंसर करवा। क्लास 9th रो इंग्लिश बुक रो फर्स्ट विषय द प्राइसलेस गिफ्ट। द प्राइसलेस गिफ्ट रो क्वेश्चन आंसर रे प्रथम क्वेश्चन होछि व्हाट डिड द राइटर एक्सपीरियंस इन द रेस्टोरेंट। The writer went to a vegetarian restaurant. It was lunch time. That was lunch time. The restaurant was very crowded. He saw some of the chairs and tables pushed into a corner. He chose the corner table and seated himself and started skimming through the newspaper. What did he notice there? से सेठारे कौन देखिले? He noticed a young girl with large eyes looking at her. तांकु गोटे झीलटे देखुची बोली से देखिले. What was the writer's first impression of the girl? The writer's first impression that the girl had very large eyes and it had sad expression. What made the writer surprised? When the girl saw the writer and inquired about him from the cashier, it made the writer surprised. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଝିଅଟି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଅନେଇଲା ଏବଂ କ୍ୟାସିୟରଙ୍କୁ ତାଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ପଚାରିଲା, ଏହା ରାଇଟରଙ୍କୁ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟାନ୍ୱିତ କରିଦେଇଥିଲା। ହ୍ୱାଇ ଡିଡ୍ ହି ଇନକ୍ୱାର ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଦ କ୍ୟାସିୟର ଏଠାରେ ହେବନି, ହି ଅର୍ଥ ଏଠାରେ ରାଇଟର, ତେଣୁ କ୍ୟାସିୟରକୁ ରାଇଟର କିଛି ପଚାରି ନାହାନ୍ତି, ଏଠାରେ ୱେଟର ହେବ, ଦ ୱେଟର ହେବ। ହି ଇନକ୍ୱାର୍ଡ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଦ ୱେଟର ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ about the girl. He inquired about the girl. Why? Because when the girl looked at him and inquired about him to the cashier, it aroused a curiosity in the writer. राइटर को मनरे यह गोटे संदेह आनीथिला एवं गोटे जानिबार इच्छा जागृत करथिला. So he inquired from the waiter. तेणु से इनक्वायर कले वेटर ठारू. What information did he get from the waiter? एटा पुणी थरे वेटर हवा. He got the information from the waiter that the girl comes the restaurant Saturdays only. Perhaps she earn not much more and it was her payday. Where did the writer go on the next Saturday? The next Saturday, writer went to the same restaurant. Why did he arrange the chair opposite hers? He arranged the chair opposite hers to know more about the girls and to start a conversation with her. What query did the girl make about the writer? The girl made the query about the writer that is he an Indian? से जने भारतीय की. What impression did the writer have about the family of the girl? The writer got the impression of the family of the girl, about the family of the girl, that her only guardian was his brother and she lived with her old widowed mother, Mrs. Betty. How was the writer treated at Maggie's house? Maggie रो घरे राइटर को किपरि चर्चा करागला? Who was there to welcome him? The writer treated at Maggie's house very eagerly. There was her mother, Mrs. Betty, to welcome him. Next देखिबा Question number 12. What was Mrs. Betty doing when the writer met her? When the writer met her, Mrs. Betty was making cake. Cake ତିଆରି କରୁଥିଲେ. Why was she unwilling to go for a handshake? ସେ handshake କରିବା ପାଇଁ କାହିଁକି ମନା କଲେ? She was unwilling to go for a handshake because her hands were covered with flour. Then students, we will discuss next question. Why did the girl usually visit the restaurant on Saturday? The girl usually visited the restaurant on Saturday because it was her payday and perhaps she does not earn much. What did Mrs. Betty believe about the ring? Mrs. Betty believed about the ring that the ring was a miraculous thing, and if someone concentrate on a distant person, ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକଟେ ଯଦି ଜଣେ ଦୂରରେ ଥିବା ଲୋକକୁ ଧ୍ୟାନର ସହିତ ଭାବିବ ମନରେ ଏବଂ gazed into the ring ଏବଂ ସେ ରିଙ୍ଗକୁ ନିରୀକ୍ଷଣ କରିବ, he will be able to see that person and what he was doing. ସେ ଦେଖିପାରିବ ସେହି ମଣିଷକୁ ଆଉ ସେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛି. What made the author to tell a lie about the ring? The author told a lie about the ring because Maggie requested him to tell a lie because Mrs. Betty was very seriously sick and aggravated, and her health aggravated by the tension of Frankie. If someone would tell a lie about Frankie that he was good, well and alive, her health could be recovered. So the writer told a lie about the ring. Did the telling of a lie benefit Mrs. Betty? Yes, the telling of a lie benefited Mrs. Betty. Why did the writer feel guilty about himself? The writer felt guilty about himself because he told a lie to Mrs. Betty that Frankie was alive and well, but after some days he calculated and knew that Frankie had been killed in fighting on the frontier some days before. କିଛି ଦିନ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଫ୍ରାଙ୍କି ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମିସେସ୍ ବେଠିକୁ କହିଥିଲେ ଯେ ଫ୍ରାଙ୍କି ଭଲ ଅଛି, ସୁସ୍ଥ ଅଛି ଏବଂ ବଞ୍ଚିଛି ବୋଲି, ସେତେବେଳେ ତାର କିଛି ଦିନ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ପରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଚିଠି ଆସିଲା ଯେ ଫ୍ରାଙ୍କି ମରିଯାଇଛି ବର୍ଡ଼ରରେ ଫାଇଟିଂରେ. ଫଳରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ରାଇଟର ଜାଣିଲେ, ଇଟ୍ ମେଡ୍ the writer guilty about himself. What was Maggie's gift to the writer? Maggie's gift to the writer was a shilling. Why was it a priceless gift? It was a priceless gift because Maggie wanted to offer some flowers on his brother's grave, so he gave a shilling to Mr. Gupta, and it was a token of love, affection and sacrifice from a sister to her brother. Did Maggie love her brother dearly? Yes, Maggie loved her brother dearly. Give reasons. Because she wanted to send some offering or gift to her brother, as also although she knew that her brother was dead. Next, why did the writer choose the corner table in the restaurant? The writer chose the corner table in the restaurant because the restaurant was very crowded. रेस्टोरेंट रे से काहेकि कोणरे थिबा टेबुल को बाछिले बसिया पई? because The restaurant was very crowded and the author wanted to read newspaper. How did the writer start a conversation with the young girl? The writer started a conversation with the young girl. He took the chair opposite hers and said him good afternoon and started a conversation with a young girl. How could the writer guess the writer to be girl poverty stricken? In her large eyes, they had a sad expression, and also he knew from the waiter that she comes only paid perhaps, and the waiter also said that perhaps she does not earn much. It made the writer guess the girl to be poverty stricken. Which of the following do you think author will talk about after the meeting? Meeting the girl again, inquiring about the nature of work, about her family. All the above. All the above will be right answer. I was moved by what he said. What impression did the writer get about the girl? The writer got the impression that the girl was poverty stricken. I was moved by what he said. What impression did the girl have in India? A good impression the girl had on India. Will it be too much of a lie? Why did the girl say so? The girl wanted to save her mother from the serious illness. So, if the writer would tell a lie about the Frankie, about her brother, that he is alive and well, he will be very good, her mother will be very good, and her illness can be recovered. So the girl say, will it be too much of a lie? Why did the writer feel ashamed to face Mrs. Betty at the time of his return to India? The writer felt ashamed to face Mrs. Betty at the time of his return to India. That because the writer told Mrs. Betty that her son was well and alive, but after some days he came to know that her son has been killed in the fighting on the frontier. Why was shilling Maggie presented to the writer was an invaluable offering? The shilling Maggie presented to the writer was an invaluable offering because it was a token of love, affection, and a sacrifice from a sister to her brother. Then students,